So today we are going to do a review of Phemex Exchange. This is one of the most popular exchanges that allows US users to trade crypto. So I will talk about the fees, security, the trading experience, and all that stuff, show you how to register, make a deposit, and also talk about some of the cool features of this exchange. Alright guys, here we are at the home page. You can see the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. We also have this nice and clean design which I like. This is the first thing I want to mention because good design is very important for me. They have all these cool animations, nice and smooth. When you click on Trade Now, you will be taken to this page where you can buy or sell your crypto with either bank transfer, credit card, or another cool option, which they call it P2P, that stands for peer-to-peer. When you click on it, basically you can buy cryptocurrency directly from another person, P2P. I like this feature because sometimes you might get better rates than other options. Now, when you click on Trade Now, you will be taken to this page where you can pick an asset pair. So for example, let's choose Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then you just need to enter the amount. For example, let us say $100 worth of Bitcoin, and you will see the equivalent amount of Bitcoin that you will get for $100. Now, if you want to limit your loss, you can set a stop loss right here. So if you want to set it, for example, at $30,000, then you will not lose more than $30,000 on this trade. Okay, so you can set your stop loss right here. The rest looks pretty standard to me. So you have your order type, market order, limit order, stop limit. So you can place different types of orders. Let's go ahead and register. It's very simple. Just enter your email address, choose a password, verify your email, and start trading. Now, you don't have to provide any personal information like name, SSN, or anything else. They don't ask for that. I already registered, so I will log into my account and show you around. Here is my dashboard. Pretty nice and clean, easy to navigate. We have all the important links right here. You can go to your wallet by clicking on this button, trading history, transaction history, referral link, deposit and withdrawal methods, customer support. It's all right here available. Also, you can go to the home page by clicking on the logo. Let's go to the wallet. You have several options: spot margin, USDT perpetuals, USDC perpetuals, options, launchpad, and savings. Let's focus on Spot because that's what I use. Spot Wallet, you can deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies. You can see all the assets that they offer right here. Most of them are available for trading. Some of them, like XRP, Cardano, Solana, they are under review due to regulations in the United States. So hopefully soon they will be available for trading. Let us say you want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin every week and you want to do it for the next 6 months, right?